Today, let's talk about something fun. If you are a sci-fi fan, you must remember The Independence Day is a well-known 1996 sci-fi film, directed by Roland Emmerich, featuring an alien invasion of Earth. In the movie, F-150 trucks or other civilian vehicles are seen briefly in scenes depicting the chaos caused by the alien attack. In such scenarios, filmmakers often use ordinary vehicles to convey the panic and destruction in the wake of an invasion. These vehicles serve as part of the background and the atmosphere to emphasize the scale of the disaster. We know Ford F-150 is the best-selling truck and the most popular pickup truck in automotive industry and for decades. It also has made appearances in several movies over the years. As a popular and iconic vehicle, it often finds its way into films, particularly those with action, adventure, or scenes set in rural or suburban environments. So today, let's dive into the F-150 world to understand him more. The F-150 is a popular truck, and like any vehicle, it can experience common problems that owners may experience over time. Here are some of the most common problems reported by Ford F-150 owners. First one is the transmission issues. Some F-150s have experienced problems with their automatic transmission, such as a rough shifting, slipping, or failure to engage gears properly. This is the most severe issue, where the transmission completely fails and no longer functions. It may result from internal damage, fluid leaks, or other critical factors. Another problem is the transmission slipping, which is also a serious concern, where the transmission fails to engage properly, leading to a loss of power and acceleration. It can be caused by worn-out clutches, a faulty torque converter, or other internal problems. The second one is the delayed or harsh shift. Delayed or harsh shift can make the vehicle's driving experience uncomfortable and may point to issues with transmission's solenoids, valve body, or other components. The third one is the transmission fluid leaks. Transmission fluid leaks can lead to a drop in fluid levels, causing the transmission to overheat and potentially result in severe damage. Addressing fluid leaks promptly is essential to prevent further damage. And the fourth one is the transmission overheating. Continuously overheating of the transmission can cause extensive damage and reduce its lifespan. Overheating can result from the towing heavy loads or driving in challenging conditions without proper cooling. By the way, it's important to address transmission issues promptly to prevent the further damage and avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance, such as changing transmission fluid and filter at recommended intervals, can help prolong the life of the transmission and reduce the risk of serious problems. If you experience any of the severe transmission issues mentioned above, it's advisable to have your F-150 inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic or a Ford dealership to ensure the safety and reliability of your vehicle. Now back to our discussion. The next one is the exhaust manifold leaks. F-150s equipped with the V8 engines have been known to develop exhaust manifold leaks, which can lead to reduced engine performance and increase the noise. Number 6 is the HVAC problems. Climate control issues, such as malfunctioning air conditions or heating systems, have been reported in some F-150s. And the last one, the torque converter problems. Issues with the torque converter, such as overheating or failure to lock up properly, can affect the transmission's performance and fluid efficiency. A damaged torque converter may need replacement. As we always mention, there is no other tips counts more than the regular maintenance, timely repairs, and following the manufacturer's recommended service intervals. If you encounter any problems with your vehicle, it's advisable to have them diagnosed and addressed by a qualified mechanic or Ford dealership. By the way, if you are the first time to our channel, hello, welcome to HJL Auto Parts. We are the auto parts supplier from Taiwan. In our channel, we talk about the handy tips and hacks about car maintenance and common car parts problems based on our experience when selling the car parts. When we know more about our vehicle, we know how to take care of it and its performance will get better and longer. Back to our F-150 discussion, it's important to note that Ford has made updates and improvements to the F-150 over the years. So the specific problems and their frequency can vary by model year. And this is why, over years, F-150 can still own so many fans to support it, especially for the people who enjoy the DIY fun. Leave the DIY in the comments below so we can know you are also one of the DIY lovers. Modifying a Ford F-150 truck can range from relatively simple changes to more complex and involved customization, depending on the specific modifications you want to make. If you ever had chances to visit the SEMA show in Vegas, you will know what I am talking. The difficulty of modifying an F-150 depends on your level of expertise, the tools and equipment you have access to, and the complexity of the modifications. Let me show you 5 different types of the modifications and their level of difficulty. First one, basic modifications. Some basic modifications, such as changing the truck's tires, wheels, or adding aftermarket accessories like the wheel guards or running boards, can be relatively straightforward and may not require advanced mechanical skills. These modifications typically involve bolt-on parts and can often be done with basic hand tools. Second one is the suspension and lift kit. Installing suspension lift kits to raise the height of your F-150 can be more complex and typically requires mechanical expertise. This modification involves disassembling and reassembling parts of the suspension system, aligning the wheels, and ensuring the vehicle's safety and handling are not compromised. Third one, let's see the performance upgrades. If you are looking to improve the performance of your F-150, such as adding cold air intake, upgrading the exhaust system, or installing a performance chip, these modifications can be moderate changing. You will need some knowledge of automotive systems and may require specialized tools. Additionally, tuning and calibration may be necessary to optimize the performance changing. And last one, let's see the customization and fabrication. For extensive customizations like creating a unique paint job, building a custom bed or a camper shell, or fabricating custom parts, you will need advanced skills and possibly access to specialized equipment like welding machines or bodywork tools. This level of modification can be quite challenging and time-consuming. And the last one, engine swaps and major overhauls. If you are considering engine swaps, transmission upgrades, or other major overhauls, these modifications are highly complex and should be undertaken by experienced mechanics or automotive professionals. They may require specialized knowledge, tools, and extensive work. There is one thing we'd like to remind you here. Before attempting any modifications to your F-150, it's crucial to have a clear plan, the necessary tools and equipment, and, if necessary, the expertise to complete the modifications safely and effectively. If you are uncertain about your abilities or the complexity of the modification, it's advisable to seek professional assistance or consult with automotive experts who can guide you through the process. Also, remember to consider how modifications may impact the warranty or insurance coverage for your vehicle. Anyway, always put safety and legal considerations at the first place. And keep in mind that some modifications can affect the safety and legality of your vehicle. Alright my friends dear, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave comments below to let us know any other topics you want to know. And remember to share these videos to the friends who may need. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay tuned. I will see you very soon next week. Adios!